H2B, how to replace the electronic board. Use tweezers or other tools to pull out the terminals connected to the electronic board. If you encounter terminals with adhesive glue, you can use the hot air from a hairdryer to warm the glue and then remove them. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the electronic board. Remove the circuit board. Remove the electronic board to be installed. Arrange the electronic boards properly and secure them with screws. Connect the terminals of the electronic board as shown in the video. Connect the white connector with red, green, and blue wires to the CN1 position. Connect the white connectors of the two black wires to the PAN and TC position. Connect the connectors of the multiple black wires to the red terminals respectively. Connect the black connector of the black wire to pump. Connect the black connector of the blue wire to HiBREW. Connect the metal connector of the brown wire to ACA. Connect the red connector of the blue wire to HiBREW. Connect the black connector of the red wire to the HiBREW position. Organize the lines. H2B. Thanks for watching.